Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we have a 2016 Mazda CX-5. This has the 2.5 liter Skyactiv engine in it, and we are going to go over how you would replace your O2 sensors. So the O2 sensors, you have two. One is upstream, one is downstream. In this video we're going to do the downstream one. So the downstream one, you'll need to raise up the vehicle, support it with jack stands, and then you'll be able to crawl under here to be able to replace it. So we have our downstream O2 sensor that's right here, and so we've got to undo that. We have one number 10 nut to remove off there, and then on this safety shield here we have an assortment of number 10 bolts and nuts to go around and remove, so that we don't need to remove the whole thing completely, but we need to be able to pull it down to reach in and undo the connector from this O2 sensor. So to start with, we will we've already removed the bolts for the skid plate here, and then I'm going to undo the number 10 nut there to be able to get that clamp removed from that connection there, and then we will undo the connection and then undo this. Okay, so remove the nut, be able to work this clamp off, and now we're gonna move over to this side where we have one clip in here that we'll need to pop out. And then we need to unhook this connector right here, which we just need to push the tab on the back side of it, and then be able to pull the connector undone. So the connector was right in here, and we push this tab here to be able to pull it apart. And now that we've got that pulled out, come back around here where we can undo the sensor itself. This is a 22 millimeter or a 7/8, that 22 millimeter, and then we'll just need to loosen this. They can be quite tight. This one was not too bad, and so then we'll just undo and spin that out, and then you'll take your new O2 sensor when you get a new one, and we go back in the reverse order and just be able to start our new O2 sensor in here. Be able to tighten that up. Gonna move over and put this nut back on. Tighten that up. Now I'm going to come back over here. We're going to pull this cover back down and be able to snap the connection in, and then put that in, and then you'll go around on your your skid plate here, skid shield, and put in all the number 10 bolts and retighten those back up. And so that's how you would remove and replace your downstream O2 sensor on your 2016 CX-5. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.